What's up, guys? So today we're going to. I'm back. I want to talk about what I've been doing while I'm not here. Okay. So let me just move my camera. So I've been making a game. It's called Adventure, and yeah, it's basically in the name. It's adventure. You get to do whatever you want. Still editing some stuff, but I'm able to make like announcements. I'll do them now. See, post. See? Hi guys, I have an admin panel, and so I'm sorry. Um, yeah. So make sure to click on my profile and then click on go on favorites, and it should save. I'm just sorry I haven't been posting. I'll start posting more, but yeah. So like and subscribe. Bye guys.